It tightens the skin better than Botox. This 3 ingredients face mask will make you look 10 years younger. This marvelous mask is an excellent procedure that is an alternative to the expensive plastic surgery. The recipe is of a mask for facelifting that can remove even 10 years from your face. This mask will become an alternative to the many cosmetic treatments in beauty salons. In addition to being cost-effective, its effect is equivalent to the well-known Botox. This mask is completely natural, and the best thing about it is that it can tighten the skin and better than Botox. The effects will be visible even after the first application. Ingredients and preparation: 1 egg white, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of coconut oil. First, you need to take a medium-sized egg and separate the egg white from the yolk. Then you need to place the egg white into a small bowl and whisk it until dense foam is formed. Next thing you need to do is add the lemon juice and the coconut oil and whisk again. Clean your face thoroughly before you apply the mask. Apply the mask to a cleansed face and leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the mask dries, rinse it with warm water or chamomile tea. We really hope you find this article helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.